ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯚꯦꯔꯤꯌꯦꯕꯜꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯚꯦꯔꯤꯌꯦꯕꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ any named storage location maming leijaba storage location that can hold some data khara yauba named storage location aduba aikoina variable haina khangnai khudam oina x ko variable ma define tawdura haina khalasi adigu mangonda hap ka dorbe data asina number 10 asina haina khalasi then it should be written like the x equals 10. So this means x is a variable and the data that this variable x holds is 10, and this data can be anything. This can be numbers like integers or decimal numbers, or this can be some text or any other data. Okay, if you want to assign some decimal values, then you just write some decimal values here. This is a variable x, and the data that this x holds is now 10.45. Text hab to raina khalasi. It is also possible. Text hab kai taragadina. We need to write by using single quote or double quote. Si boy ko na double quote har khangnai ko. So maina kudamoina x is a variable aduga x the yauriba data je kana hoigada gai taragadi this text python is great khangni ko, and instead of this double quote we can use single quote also like this. This is also correct khangni ko. If you want to print the data that this variable have, then I can sijina gadori function je print function. Print hairani dana ko aduga sigi opening and closing parenthesis ke manung sida aikoina print tawning variable do ishallo, then it will print the data that x holds. X yaru data do print tarokane python ye spelling se lale sem dok jage hauzik x the yaru data se karino sigi text python is great exclamation mark sine yaurje aikone x print tawa matamda x hariba variable se yaur data se print tarokane ba yengsi ko. Let's run this code. This is the output. Aina phong do s is this is 10, then x taur value se kari ore hoje 10 ore dana ko. Then if we print this x, it will print 10. Taure ko 10 print taure ko sida. Asumaina hamning bahapo, suppose it is a decimal value having some fractional part, then it will print 10.789734. Tauri ko khangani ko variable ngasai ki variable ne define taure ko. Variable hai bataragadi it's a named storage location that can hold some data khara yauba named storage location ama boy koina variable haina khangnare ko adu aina amku sai gre that data can be anything. So adu gi data do karama makhal gi data no masi gi matung ina variable ami data type se define tawewa. For example, this means x ko variable se de yauriba data se 10 ne ko which is integer. So x ki data type hai bataragadine this is integer haigana hai adu yeng hai bataragana, then we will use the function type. Okay, print the print tau type of x have the x ta karamba makhal gi data yauge have do print tau hai ne kari data yauge hojik yaur data asi 10 ne karamba makhal gi data no it is integer, so it will print integer. Yang siko see class integer. For the time being, let's just ignore this class. See I matung tarakpa class in the explain to garakke. Let's just focus on this thing. Khangani ko simagi data type say integer neva. If I just add some fractional part, then masi integer oidre sigumba makalgi type sibu programming language, so we call this as a float haina khangnai ko. So if I run this program, then it will print the type of x, which is now float. So it will print as float. Yang ziko. See. Ure ko sida. Float haina thorai ko. Likewise, if I assign some text, like, then x the yauri kasi text ore ko. So text po ay na programming language kita string ngay na kung ko. So if I print the type of x, then it will print string. See. Hare ko string ngay na. Kang ni ko. Variable karino, amadi variable amagi data type basi karino ay bagyan tar ni ko. Mathang na laksaning masina in other programming languages like C or C++ or Java. Any variable ama use tarom dai ko. You have to define the variable along with each data type. Ay koi na variable ma use tau haiba tara ka diko. Kari variable use tau dori bano aduga mangwon da ha pa yawa data asina karma makhalgi data no haiba se hana khangan da ya de. But in case of Python, quick tau de na x ta nang integer hapning nga happy, decimal point yawa value hapning nga happy, text hapning nga happy, hana haiba ka sudarkar ta de na ko. But in other programming languages, we have to explicitly define and declare the type of the variable. Kangani ko? Asigi mathakta atoba programming language C, C++, Java asina sing madadi once aina variable amase integer oigadabani hai kraba throughout the program it will be integer data type hongdok pasu ya deba ko. But in Python it is possible khudam oina hairabadi yang siko sige x variable sida aina happy basi it's a string data type. Now if I have assigned some integer value to x, natra. In Python this is allowed, but in other programming languages once magi declare to give type to adu dum oir laigane khangani ko. So let's run this code. Sida ahanbada x ta yauri bade ta karino. My name is Sendas haiba text tineboko. So each data type is string. So this line will print string. Khangani ko. Sigi matung da aina x ta mukari hapsale integer hapsale. Then the type of this variable x has been changed from string to integer. So this line will print integer. Khangani ko. To sisina ahan bagi print type x ke line du lakpani string haina print tawre. Then x hare variable sida ina integer value hapsani re adu matung dadi magi type se integer haina onthok re ko. So in this way this type of variables can be changed dynamically. Mangon da karamba value happy ge haiba do adu matung ina type to hongba ya ba. Khangai ko. Suppose if you assign some floating point value, then its type will be changed to float. Yang siko. Thore to. Ahan ma string oiram then integer oire. Adu matung da float oire. So maina the type of this variable x can be changed dynamically within this same program. So maramasina Python is called as dynamically typed language. Khangani ko. So this is all about variables. Variable hai basi karino, variable amagi data type hai basi karino hai basi khanglani ko.